Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find your flight number on the Ryanair app. First, open the Ryanair app and log into your account. Tap on My Trips. Here you'll see all your upcoming trips along with details like flight number, seat, and more. Can't find your booking? Tap on Retrieve My Booking. Enter your reservation number and email address. Then tap Get My Booking. Your flight number will now be displayed with your booking details. If you still can't find it, check the confirmation email sent by Ryanair. Your flight number will be listed there too. And that's it. That's how to find your flight number on the Ryanair app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.